Hello guys, so today we have a Guardian right here. It's not on. And these old looking units, really don't know what they are. And a train. Over here, we have a pane. And more of these old looking units. Over here, we have a carrier. Over here, we got an airflow. It's not on. Over here, we have another pane. And I think this is a carrier and two more of these old looking units. Over here, we have another old looking unit, a Guardian. Don't know what this is, but it's new to me. And a good one. Over here, we have a carrier, I think. And I'm thinking this is another carrier. Over here, we have a carrier and Armstrong Air. More of these old other carrier. Over here, we have another carrier, an Armstrong Air. More carriers. Over here, we have another carrier. Don't know what this is. Oh, it's a ream. And a carrier. Over here, we have a Quiet Comfort. Carrier, more carrier, and another carrier. Over here, we have a carrier, two more carriers, and a sprinkler. Over here, we have two carriers, a Concorde, and a ream. And over here, another Concorde and a carrier. Over here, we actually have running units now. A carrier. Over here, we have another airflow and a carrier. Over here, we have a Heil and a pane. Really nice one. They all look new. We have a Concorde and an airflow. They both look really similar. They have a Concorde and another one over there.